Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick video on why you should choose Russ Darrow. Because when you look at shopping for or servicing your car, there's a number of different places you can go to, all of which tend to have some guy's name on the door, and you might wonder why ours is the best. But there's a number of reasons. We've been in business over 50 years and have 15 different locations, which you do not do by treating people incorrectly. Customer service is always our #1 priority. And we have a number of exciting benefits, such as the Russ Darrow Rewards card. When you buy a car from us, you get at a minimum your first 3 oil changes free, as well as unlimited free car washes at the dealership. Beyond that, especially at our Madison Kia location, in my opinion the best Russ Darrow, we're a one-stop shop. You have not only a place where you can buy a car, but anything it ever needs we can take care of. We have a full-service body shop if it ever hits something, service center if it ever needs maintenance or any sort of repair, a parts department where you can add to or accessorize your vehicle, literally anything you need. So if you're looking to experience a Darrow difference, shoot us a call or stop by today.